Wow, it is Jackson.
I think I touched a nerve.
Oh, cool. No. Wow, Tom Mater.
I like you already. My name's Mater.
Mater?
Yeah, like tomato.
Yeah, nice. Okay, follow me, guys. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Wow. Yeah, Ramon.
The only guy strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
Cool. Okay, follow me, guys. Oh yeah, cruise.
Thanks, guys. Nice paint, kiddo.
Oh. Wow, guys, it is Jackson. Yeah, Doc. Doc Hudson, let's go. Wow, it is smoky.
Look alive! Reflexes are the first thing to go. Ah! Ah!
Wow, nice. Yee-hoo! Cool. Okay, follow me, guys. Wow, Mill Axelrod.
Sir Axelrod, is the final race in London still going to take place?
Wow. Okay, follow me, guys. Let's go. It is Fillmore.
How about some organic fuel?
That freak juice?
Whew. Watching him work is making me thirsty.
Wow. Okay, let's go. Hello fans, this video let's see her swimming in the pool. Yeah, let's go. Wow, tomato.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers. Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, nice. Wow. Yeah, Lightning McQueen.
Whoa! I made it!
Okay. Go. Oh yeah, this is Doc.
Past River, past Lou, even Junior.
Okay, Doc, let's go. Nice. Yeah, this is Serge.
Hello, Face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my rib.
Wow. Okay, Serge, go. Nice. Okay, next car. Yeah, Super Lightning McQueen. Wow, okay. Go. Next car. Oh, oh yeah, Supermater.
I did all kinds of stunts. Fire! Whoa!
Wow. Okay, follow me, guys. Yeah. Wow, guys, this is rare. Oh, okay, rap, let's go. Oh, nice. Wow, fabulous Lightning McQueen. Wow. Go. Oh. Yeah, guys, it is Jackson.
I think I touched a nerve.
Wow. Okay. Go. Yes, this is Francesco.
Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Wow. Okay. Go. Wow, it is Holy. Okay, Holy. Go.